I finally found the backpack that you girls have been asking me for all these while on my Instagram DM. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all my favorite bags, my most used backpack and wallet in today's video, because I've been getting a lot of questions on my Instagram because you guys buy my bags, my backpacks and clothing and all of it, but this one bag is very special. Everybody asks it, but unfortunately I'm not giving it to anybody and it's not available online also. But I found a place where you can actually get it for you guys. So the most commonly asked bag, where is this bag available? Everybody likes this bag a lot and I love it too because it's the most cutest looking backpack, and the best part is it goes with every single outfit. It's a very cute little tiny mini backpack. It can barely fit in a wallet and a water bottle at the max. Nothing much it can actually fit, and I just love it. And this one is practically useless because it's a very small hole, and all you can have here is just a little bit of lip balm or something like that, or a tissue paper at the max. That's all it fits. You can actually wear it like a sling bag. At the same time, you can also wear it like a backpack also. The most cute part about this is the color combination. This color combination and the tan color combination, it's just so cute. And it also has got like two pockets on the side wherein, I don't know, you can just keep some receipts or something like that. Very small 50 ml water bottle, and this can actually barely fit inside the bag. I have to keep the bottle little crossed, then only this bag will actually fit in the bag. So that how small this bag is. It also has a big opening on the side and a zipper compartment on the back as well. So practically it's a very tiny bag, but it looks great and it works with all possible outfits, and I just love the color and combination of it. Now this bag, I actually got it from Shein years ago. I think I got it in 2017 or 18, I believe. I don't know, because 2020 and 2021 are actually cancelled basically. So this bag, I got it for I think some 1,000 rupees or something. At that time, paying 1,000 rupees for a bag is kind of expensive. It's way long time, I don't remember it, but definitely this was not one of the cheap bag at all. It was actually very expensive bag. The quality is also great, the zipper is great, everything is great. I've used it multiple times and it's still lasting long, and I just love the color combinations of it. It's just a totally a cute little backpack. Bells are really classy, the bottom is really classy, the color combination is really good, and the two zipper quality is really good. Overall, I love this bag a lot. Now, for all those you guys who wanted this bag, actually I found this bag available recently, like probably like a week or some time ago on Amazon, and I'm just gonna link the product of it down below. Two different sellers and two different links. I'm just gonna give it down below so you can check the one which one you like and get it. I haven't bought anything from that seller, so I'm not exactly sure how that particular quality of the backpack would be, but since you girls are loving it so much and seeing my bag videos, girls, come on to my Instagram DM and ask me questions about this, so you can definitely check that out, link if you're interested in getting it from there. Now the next most used wallet is actually this one. I got it for my mom and I just gave it to her because she loves it and she pretty much uses it every day. This is her main wallet, so I just borrowed it from her for the video purpose. So this is from the brand High Design and it's an amazing bag. So girls, if you're looking out for classy wallet and it's really good in quality, it's going to last for years together, and it has got multiple card slots. This wallet is one of my favorite. I just absolutely love it. It's a very classy looking wallet and I just love the color of it. So once you open, all you have is a zipper compartment here. There is a big slot here, lot of card slots here, and a main compartment with a zip over here, so you can put in your cash here, and a big slot here. Here's a card slot, here's a card slot, and here is a center zipper and a lot of space here. So although it looks like a very slim wallet, it has got ample spaces to put in all the things that you might be needing it, and this is one of a classy wallet. And also it takes very little space in the backpack or the sling bag or anything that you want to carry, and it just looks great. It's such a cute little wallet. Zipper quality is great, the overall quality is great, the quality is too good. It's almost like 1,000 rupees, a little more than that, but you can definitely get it in sale and you can get it for about 1,000 rupees or something like that. But this one is a total classy wallet. It's going to last for years. So, moving on to my wallet, if you've seen my past videos, I would have shown you guys my Fossil wallet that I picked it up in USA while I was there, and that wallet is my favorite wallet. But this one I recently got it from Baggett brand, and I just love it. I got this is because of all my grocery purposes, because you guys know that I've set up my own kitchen and I cook my own food, so I buy my own groceries and all of that. So when I go to market to buy groceries or any vegetables or something like that, I need to have a lot of change, and the Fossil wallet does not have a lot of space to put in a lot of change. But here, this one I majorly got it for this coin pouch, and I don't want a coin pouch separate. So this is a very cute little wallet. It's super stylish. I like this thing about it, and if you open it, opens out like that, and it looks really nice. And there's a lot of card slots over here. Since this is not my main wallet for going out, I don't have any cards inside of it. It's more of a change kind of place where I have all the changes. You can fit in a lot of coins. It's so cute and so gorgeous, and yeah, it's one of the best wallet actually. So this is my grocery wallet, and that's my main wallet, and I just like it so much. And also it has a zipper opening at the back as well. So this one, it looks like a very small wallet, but it can actually hold up a lot of things. A license holder, 6 different card slots, and a big compartment for money, and then a zipper pouch like this, a coin pouch, and then a zip at the back. So there's like a lot of space for the price that I paid. This is like a great deal I picked up. So yeah, if you guys are looking out for a nice wallet that can actually take in a lot of space, you can use it. Last time when I showed this in the video, I did not use it. That was a brand new wallet, but now I've been using it for more than 2-3 months I guess, and I'm loving it so much. Keep in a lot of coins, easy to take up the change, and the button is very classy. I pretty much like it. So this is such a cute little small wallet. All 3 bags are really great in quality. They're totally worth their price. The zip quality is amazing. They can hold up a lot of things, and yeah, it's definitely going to last for years together. So I personally used them all these off, and I just loved it. Any which ways, I'm going to link all the products on the description tab below, so you can check that out.